everyone. Welcome to Sensible Home Studio, your place for decorating ideas for your home and celebrations. My name is Gretchen, and I'm celebrating Earth Day. Earth Day has been celebrated annually on April 22nd since 1970. It's a reminder to protect the environment, restore damaged ecosystems, and live a more sustainable life. The occasion has played an important role in raising awareness on many environmental issues. This year's theme is Invest in Our Planet. Planting is especially good, but clean and green helps the earth too. So today I'm recycling a skirt as my table cover. I didn't cut the waistband this time, I've just covered the opening with the white charger. You can do this with some Christmas tree skirts too. I've placed the wreath on top of the charger and set the lemon tree inside. The wire basket brings a lemony aroma to the table. I prefer using dishes because they keep trash out of the landfills. The lemons on the plates and glasses help create an attractive design to our soup and salad lunch table setting. And of course, we have our wing and a prayer napkins. I love lemons in my food recipes and beverages, but lemons are great for cleaning too. They're so effective you can find many cleaners with lemon or lemon scent. So let's take another look at my setting and I'll share some household uses. Lemons and vinegar can be a surprising useful solution that you can use around your house. Lemons and vinegar are non-toxic, they're environmentally safe, and incredibly inexpensive compared to cleaners that you buy. They're safe, natural, and corrosive enough to clean surfaces, and they are not harmful to humans or pets. View my blog for my lemon and vinegar solution. The address will be at the end of this video. In your kitchen, you can clean your countertops, but it may require special care for some like granite and marble. You can clean your coffee maker with equal parts water and the lemon vinegar solution. Let it sit for an hour before running it through the cycle. You can clean your microwave. Place a bowl with equal parts water and the lemon vinegar solution into the microwave on high for about 10 minutes. This makes the inside easier to clean. You can also remove mineral deposits from your shower head. Put the solution in a plastic bag and tie the bag around the shower head while dipping the shower head in the solution. After letting it set overnight, rinse the shower head that morning, and you can use the solution on the shower walls to deter mildew from growing. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and can use some of these cleaning ideas. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy Earth Day!